Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, and yes, another video. I'm on fire with recording videos at the moment. I recorded one yesterday, I recorded one a few days before that, and now I'm recording one again. As you can see, we are currently uploading this video, which you'll have already seen by now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video there, which was uploaded a few days ago, because that was quite a fun one to record. It was quite an impromptu video, as I said at the end of it. Wasn't supposed to record, but I ended up doing it anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one, as obviously it's not uploaded by the time I'm filming this, so let's hope you like it, eh? So how comes I'm recording so much, I'm making so many videos, and I'm really enjoying myself instead of being a depressed mess like always? Well, for some reason the weather is staying really nice, which is quite odd because every time I pull out the camera it usually pisses it down with rain. So what are we doing in today's video? Well, I bought some of this, which is some carbon fibre look, interior, exterior use, like wrap stuff. So I'm actually going to use this product to wrap these surrounds where my controls are for the electric windows, where the controls are for my fog lights and things like that. So we're going to use this product today. We're going to go out and get the plastic surrounds off of the window controls and things like that. We're going to bring them inside and then we're going to attempt to wrap them. Now I know a lot of people are going to think this is quite a chavvy thing to do, to like wrap them in like fake carbon fibre and all that. But if you saw the state of my buttons and things, you'd kind of understand why I want to do it, because they've been scratched to hell by the previous owners. Even if it's fake carbon fibre, I quite like the look of it. It was only €2.75 for the roll, so even if it doesn't work out and it's crap, it's not like I've spent €30 on a roll of it. At the end of the day, if it doesn't work out, it's not a lot of money used up, so let's go. Whew. I'll tell you one thing, even though it looks beautiful outside, the wind is extremely strong. So these are the surrounds I'm talking about. As you can see, there are quite a few like little scratches in here and things like that, and these need a good clean as well because they're quite weird. They're like a weird material, it's quite sticky. Same as on the buttons that are down here as well. So also I'm going to try and do like these as well at some point. These are a bit more difficult to do, but for the minute we're going to attempt to do this one here, and the same one over on that side just down there. I figured start off small with the 3 little small panels just to get used to it, and even if it balls up, it doesn't use up too much of the wrap. Without further ado, let's give this a shot. So it looks like there's one connector which holds everything in, which is quite easy. Here we get a better look of it. As you can see there, see, it's all quite scuffed up and things. So the buttons are obviously going to be cleaned up and I'm going to leave them, but it's the surrounding pieces here that I want to kind of wrap and hope that they look a bit better. I think this one's going to be quite a difficult one to get out without damaging anything, but we're going to see. See, I did have a little tool to do this with, but I can't seem to find it. So we're having to resort to the good old flat-ended screwdriver. Right, so that's all 3 out. I finally got this one out. This one was a pain in the arse. Let me show you. So this one obviously comes from here, but in order to get to this, you've got to take off all of the plastic trim that comes around here, which I've put down there. But then after that, you have 2 Torx screws in there, and that's what holds it in, and 1 clip on this side over here. So that's the 2 window commands there, and also the plate with all the like speed limiters and light levels and all that shit like that. So now we're just going to take these inside, give them a bit of a clean up, and then attempt to try and wrap these in the carbon fibre that I got. I also figured I'd take this case off because, well, it's there and it's just a piece of plastic that sits there. So we're going to give this one a try. So I think this is the first one we're going to try to get an idea on how it all works. Okay, so this is the setup we're going for. Here's the carbon stuff, here's the plastic. Got a hairdryer down there as well in case we need it. Now we're going to just hope that this doesn't balls up and I don't ruin my car. So how does this come out then? It's taped up obviously. This stuff is waterproof as well, which is quite good. So there we have it. That's the effect we're going for. That will definitely look a lot better than just this black plastic. See, it's quite thick stuff, you know. It's quite heavy duty, I'm not going to lie. I'm glad that it's quite robust. Welcome to Yanamize, where I totally know what I'm doing. So that looks pretty good. I mean, that's about the right shape for this. Now I've got to try and apply it. This is going to be the fun part. Time consuming, but we're almost there now. Just getting the edges round, and then we need to clean the front off, and hopefully that should be it. So here we have the finished product. Look at that. Genuinely impressed. I need to clean it a little bit because this is the piece that had the tape on it, but compared to the plastic that was before, much better. And I've got most of the air bubbles out as well. It's not perfect because it's my first time, but I personally think it looks pretty damn good, considering I had all these clips to work around as well. I think the other ones will be a lot easier. Genuinely very happy with that. Time for the second piece. This one looks to be a little bit more complicated because there's a lot of holes to go around, but hopefully should be able to get this one done as well. Well, there we have it. This one's come out pretty well. The other parts came out okay. This one unfortunately didn't come out very well because the gaps around these buttons and that are not very sufficient. So I've tried my best. I mean, it was never going to look perfect, let's be real. This one's the worst one of them all, which is totally my fault. But that's fine. It's just around there really that's quite bad, but again, it still looks a lot better than the other crappy plastic I had on it, so that's fine. From a distance it looks good. I'm going to go for that. I'm going to go with the it looks alright from a distance. That one looks like it was meant to be there, and this one also looks like it was meant to be there. But in any case, let's go whack these back in the car and see how they turn out inside the cockpit. Alright, so we've got popping these back in place. We'll start with this one and work our way back round. So to be honest, I don't think they came out as bad as I was expecting. I was expecting them to all look absolutely awful because I've never done anything like this before. I'm usually quite brutal, so I was expecting to either tear a lot of the wrap or really ruin all the parts. They don't look too bad. That one looks absolutely fine. This one here looks absolutely fine as well, now that it's all tucked in and I've done them nice. This side, however, was a little bit more difficult because here, this one, as you can see, has got a few little issues around the edges because the wrap was just being a little bit weird. And along the bottom isn't too bad. It's these buttons more. They're the ones that have a few little problems. There's like a little bubble there as well, which is kind of annoying. Same on this one. It's because there's so many buttons and I've never done this before. And it just really is not the easiest task to do when you've never done this before. But I'm glad I did it. I enjoyed it. It was a learning curve. Which taught me that I should get somebody who knows what they're doing to do something like this for the next time. In any case, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it and you want to see more little tinkering videos like this, I think this will be quite a short one as well, just like the previous video. So if you did enjoy that, make sure to demolish the like button down below. It really does mean a lot to me. Subscribe if you're new, as we're almost at 100 subscribers. and leave a comment as well, letting me know if you've ever done anything like this before and how easy or difficult you found it. Anyway guys, cheers for checking out the video. I will catch you all in the next one. Boy.